I'm Stefan Rappazzo, and this is my mama,
Mary Louise.
and today we're gonna show you how to make lasagna the way mama made it back in the old day. I've always thought that I make some of the best lasagna in the world, and everything I've learned from mom. So what do we do to make the lasagna, mama?
So today we're going to start off with the sauce, and then we're going to make an egg pasta dough, and we'll put it together, assemble it, stick it in the oven, and then enjoy it for dinner.
Okay, so 4 steps. We start with the sauce. It's a bolognese sauce. And you see the bubbles. You can actually hear them sizzling. And let's get them moving around.
Instead of using our bechamel sauce as well as a tomato meat sauce, we're going to put it all together in a bolognese sauce, milk in the sauce as well as the tomatoes. Add the salt, pepper, fresh nutmeg, and we'll throw in a bay leaf. And now we'll stir.
Rest of the veg going in, onions in, pancetta's in.
Let the pancetta melt, the fat melt away.
Okay, so we're gonna get a bit of grease in there,
Yeah,
the pancetta fat.
Yeah. Some people enjoy just all pork.
Or just all beef.
beef. So that's
But
entirely up to you. I like to mix it up.
This way's the best.
Yes.
Okay. And the milk tenderizes the meat.
Yes.
In the bolognese sauce. It gives us a richer creaminess
flavor.
in.
Yes, in the total effect. Bring the heat up, and now this should cook for a good hour and a half to 2 hours.
On medium-low heat now, probably 4.
Bring it to a boil first.
Bring it to a boil, and then reduce it to low heat and let it simmer for at least an hour, 90 minutes.
Egg pasta dough we're making today for our lasagna. This is so 4 eggs and 2 egg yolks. It's for a really yellowy dough, and it stretches well, and it works very well.
You keep adding little bits.
I'm going to start using the scraper that is allowed.
So we've effectively got rid of all the liquid of the egg now. So now we just gotta incorporate all of that flour.
Cut little sections off.
An 8.
It's about an 8, yeah. We also have the board where we're going to put the strips, and it should be floured. Very nice.
We got pasta strips have been stretched, dried out. We're gonna boil them, give them a cold bath, and then get them ready for assembly. We're gonna start with the long ones because we're gonna use them first. They're gonna be the base layer. More pasta going in.
Always creamy. Just very lightly buttering the pan. Bottom 3 layers here overlapping.
Is there a top layer? Do we put sauce and cheese over
We
top?
put very, very little sauce, and preferably without too much meat, just to kind of coat it, and just a bit of parm and nothing else.
And a bit of.
Because we want it to crisp up.
Okay. Goodbye for now, sweet lasagna.
Yeah. I hope it doesn't overflow on the.
I'll see you in 40 minutes.
Yes. Let's see. Go 40 minutes. And then?
40 minutes, 350 degrees. Passata. Sometimes I see pomodoro. What is this?
Well, pomodoro is tomatoes, so passata is strained tomatoes. There's all sorts of tomatoes. You could have canned plum tomatoes, or there could be diced tomatoes. This is strained tomatoes.
So no seeds in here, no skins,
Nothing,
no pulp, just straight tomatoes. So if we want a rich sauce, we're making a lasagna, we don't want that much texture.
We want it smooth.
We want a little bits of texture, are gonna be our meat and chopped veg. Okay, final check. We've taken the top off. Oh, we can tell this baby's ready. We just turn the heat down, but there was a little bit of bubbling liquid. It's charring up in the corners. We get some crispiness. Don't drop it now. this at the end. Beautiful. Okay, we've got our model piece. We took a center cut, even though I love the crispy edges of this lasagna. But this will give us our best taste of the entirety.
Yes,
Mama,
I agree.
have a
I'm
piece.
gonna try it. Can't wait. I'm gonna go with a smaller piece. Okay.
Buon appetito. And I'm not gonna go with a smaller piece, Mother. Oh, look at that. Look at all those layers. Cheese still hanging on.
Delizioso. Buonissimo.
Yeah, the words are barely there, but it's a bit of everything. A perfect combination of pasta, meat, sauce, and cheese. This is the best lasagna you'll ever get your hands on, so make sure you give yourself a bit of time. Go buy everything you need and make this for yourself, and then come find us on YouTube and buy the cookbook.